Everyone, in today's video we will see how to connect Brother DCP-T310 printer to a Windows laptop, Wi-Fi and USB setup guide. The step 1, connect printer to laptop. So turn on your Brother DCP-T310 printer, then connect the printer to your Windows laptop using a USB printer cable. Now wait a few seconds for Windows to detect the device. Now the step 2, download printer driver. So open a web browser and visit the official Brother support website. Now search for Brother DCP T310 and select your Windows version and download the full driver and software package. Step 3, decompress the the downloaded file. So locate the downloaded zip file in your downloads folder. Then right click the file and select extract all. Now choose a folder and click extract to unpack the installation file. The step 4, install the Brother software. So open the extracted folder and double click the setup file. Now click yes if Windows asks for permission. Now follow the on-screen instructions and accept the license agreement. Then select USB connection when prompted and complete the installation process and restart your laptop if requested. The last step, add printer to your laptop. So open the settings, then Bluetooth and devices. Now printer and scanner and click add device. Then select Brother DCP-3 T310 from the list of available printer. Now click add devices and wait for Windows to finish the setup. And then print a test page to confirm the printer is connected and working properly. So goodbye and thanks for watching.